Okay, hello and welcome to this very special seminar organized by the Aditya School, which is being recorded, streamed on GMeet. And we are what, 15 minutes late. Why is this delay? Here because of a technical hitch, as you've already seen. But এইভাবে ধরে নিন that it's one of those rainy days and you've got to excuse students because the whole city is waterlogged. Because these are strange times. Having said that, I have absolute pleasure in welcoming my friend and somebody who's been with this webinar series, which was done last week for the Barashat School, Madam Shobita Shaha. I also welcome Meeta Banerjee, Principal, Aditya School, Mitali Shaha, Headmistress, Mom Chattopadhyay, Mentor, Rini Dashgupta, Primary Section Teacher, Shulogna Dash, Junior in charge, Ishani Banerjee, in charge of 9 and 10 classes, Moshumi Shengupto, class 11, Reshma Chatterjee, computer teacher, Shimonti Chakraborty, biology, Shayoni Bosch, sociology and political science, Rupama Nayak, mathematics, Purba Srimani, counselor, Tista Dashgupta, special educator, Moshumi Mukherjee, parent. It's good to see parents joining this webinar. Orpita Chakraborty, another parent, Shomrat Moitro, another parent. The way I want to go about it is very simple. You know, I talk a lot. I mean, that is my job. That's where I earn my living. I will set it up in 2-3 minutes for everybody. And then I want each of you present here, people in positions of power and authority and who we are looking up to for the school, to talk to me based on some questions that I have. Okay, so what is Aditya School doing and how is Aditya School different? I have had extensive discussions with a series of senior management, which includes Anirban, which includes Madam Shaha, and several of you. And the things that have stood out to me, one, my friend Orindam, who is one of the senior PR consultants of the city, will attest to this. He had done a story on this. One, the Aditya School, I think, is the only school in the city and the state that has planned to set up a quarantine center for students with 20 beds. So if you have an issue, and you can. If you have a health issue, you have a health solution in the school itself, number one. Number two, you have doctors on call. So there are hospital tie-ups made. So the students will have doctors on call. There are medical experts who have been inducted into the board, and these guys will be able to advise students, parents, teachers, whoever faces a health emergency, if they do. Number three, the school will have its own ambulance, and that will be stationed in the school premise, which will mean that the medical emergency can be tackled at an emergency level and in an emergency basis. So these are important factoids that the Aditya School has done. From what I understand, they have a mechanism in place whereby all teachers will be tested when school reopens. They have already put in place detailed norms, the way books and other material has been distributed so far. Fingers crossed there has been no health emergency or no untoward incident while that process was accomplished, and that included outstation deliveries also. So in every possible way, Aditya School has been trying to be ahead of the virus curve. You know, this virus is a bit of a chess game. The way I see it, you've got to anticipate. Like in chess, you play move by move, you lose. Against this virus, you have to be 2 steps ahead. And that is what Aditya School so far has been able to do. But I am an outsider. I'm talking to you as an outsider based on the interviews that I've conducted with the school management. So for me, it is important to ask these questions. And because of paucity of time, I've got about what? 13, 14 speakers. So each of you, please stick to a minute and a half. And it's very important you do that so that everybody gets a chance to speak. So I go to Meeta Banerjee, the principal. Ma'am, this is unnatural. These are strange times, but your school seems to be well and truly, in a position to be able to deliver quality education in the new normal, grappling with all the health concerns that anybody can have. Meeta Banerjee, Principal Aditya School, the floor is yours. Ma'am, if you could please unmute yourself and speak to me, if you got my question. Meeta Banerjee. Madam Shaha, you take over. You start.
Yeah. Very good morning to all my teachers, students, and parents. Well, we are all going through this pandemic situation, but we are happy to say that we have taken it up as a challenge and thought it to be in a more positive manner how to solve all the problems, especially when it comes to children. We have, from the very beginning in the month of March, we have opened a WhatsApp video with every section, with our teachers, class teachers, subject teachers, and our authorities are also there. So we are in touch with our students all along, where we are sending our video assignments, and children are going through it through the lecture of the teachers. At the same time, we have started online classes where the teachers are having direct interaction with them to solve the problems. So it is, for the first time, as I've earlier also mentioned, Mr. Majumdar, it was a challenge for all of us. But our teachers, parents, and students, we took it up in a very challenging manner, and we could do it. That was the greatest part of it. And we all learn new lessons every day, and our team is really doing very well every day. We are going in every day for new things, and experimentation is always on, and we are really happy. We are really happy for that.
Okay, Mitali Shah, headmistress, if you're there, ma'am, are you there? Mitali, yes,
Yes,
there you
please.
Please, ma'am, go for it. I mean, what is your take on this situation and how the school has tackled it and your message to students?
Yes, actually, we were all new to this mode of teaching. It came all of a sudden. So all of us teachers, we all sat together and we discussed how to solve it. How can we help our children? Our management was always with us. They also was there with when we started our Zoom classes first. They taught us how to do it. We learned first. All of us together we learned. And then we started delivering the same to the children. First of all, there were no books given to the children. So naturally, we started giving them. The teachers also had very less resources with them because they were not prepared for the situation. All of a sudden, lockdown was called. So they were all at home. They didn't have anything with them. In spite of that, they have prepared all the assignments and we sent the assignments to the children after creating WhatsApp group the classes. After that, we decided that we should give the big books should be given to the children. So following all the norms of WHO, we started distributing books, which was done very smoothly. Parents were very happy the way we did it. Even the parents who could not come, they opted for home delivery, and we tried to satisfy them to our utmost. So
Excellent.
naturally, after the children, we started with the online classes with the children. So online classes also, children are happy, parents are also happy. Seeing that the children are happy because they could see the teachers and their friends after so many months. So naturally, and they are taking it very positively. So this is how we are doing. We are now very positively, we are going ahead. Let's see how much we can do for the children.
Okay. You know, this is a new normal. Nobody was prepared. The world was not prepared. That is why we have had 700 deaths in the world. I mean, and the numbers are only going to go up in the days to come. So that tells us how important this new normal is, how important it is, for us to embrace the new normal, challenge the new normal at the same time. Do not underestimate this virus. And I'm saying it with full seriousness here. Anybody who is listening to this broadcast, please do not underestimate this virus. It can hit you, it can hit me, it can hit anybody, but there is no stigma. There is no stigma because this is nothing to do with, কোভিড হয়েছে মানেই এনাকে আলাদা করে দাও, একে স্টিগমাটাইজ করো, একে অস্ট্রাসাইজ করো, এই জিনিসগুলো নয়। আমরা as a school, it is our job to become the flag bearers of this resistance towards stigmatization of COVID. So পড়াশোনার বাইরেও আমাদের একটা রোল আছে, যেটা আদিত্য সংসার, আদিত্য স্কুল করবে। মম চট্টোপাধ্যায়, are you there? I thought Meeta Banerjee joined. Mom, beautiful.
A
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good morning to sir and all the authorities present over here.
Bolu.
So as I was hearing, whatever ma'am and Mitali ma'am has said, Sabita ma'am, it's absolutely true, sir. It was initially definitely a challenge for us, this situation. So we were flabbergasted what we were supposed to do. But again, with the help of the management, definitely we are very thankful to our management We started off with the Zoom classes and we practiced with each other. And what I see is this situation, this pandemic situation, though it has created, it is an epidemic, pandemic worldwide. It has been a challenge definitely for us because we have also learned a lot of things. We
Absolutely.
are constantly this learning process is going on, and it was a challenge. It was so exhilarating when we could solve certain problems online. Suppose we met with a challenge, we could not do this when we were going for the classes with the students. Then, if we could solve it, it was definitely a challenge. And one more thing, our school has taken all the precautions and the norms while distributing the books. Also, we have a personal touch with the children. Though we sometimes we feel that being digital doesn't mean that we are not having a personal touch. But on the contrary, we feel that we are able to monitor the students very much because we are in all the class groups. We are able to monitor them. Whatever questions come up, immediately we are solving them. So personally, at least I feel it's a wonderful, once in a lifetime opportunity, this personal touch. We can monitor all 10, 15 sections together.
Well
And at the
said.
same time, one more thing I would like to tell the parents and the students also, let the pandemic situation means let us do something that the children, when they look back, they think of it with good memories, not bad memories. Yes, it was a bonding time with my parents, my teachers, even co-students. So we should make the best
Absolutely.
out of it. That is what we feel. So,
ওকে, একটাই জিনিস মম, আপনি জাস্ট
yes, sir.
আপনি বিউটিফুলি বললেন। আপনার অনেকগুলো জিনিস ভালো, আপনার বাড়ির ইন্টারনেট কানেক্টিভিটি ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড, স্ট্রিমিংটা ওয়াজ ভেরি গুড। মাই রিকোয়েস্ট টু অল অফ ইউ, দিস নিউ নর্মাল উইল মিন ইউ উইল নিড ইন্টারনেট কানেক্টিভিটি এট হোম। আপনাদের যাদের বাড়িতে ইন্টারনেট আনস্টেবল, এখন অনেকগুলো সার্ভিস প্রোভাইডার হয়েছে, আপনারা সেগুলো দিয়ে এই ইন্টারনেট কানেক্টিভিটিটা উন্নত করুন, কারণ আপনাদের সবাইকার লাগবে। মম, আপনি একটা জিনিস খালি করবেন, আপনাকে দেখা যাচ্ছিল না, আপনি যদি হেড স্পেসটা কমিয়ে একটু আপনার ফ্রেমটা প্রপারলি সেট আপ করেন, তাহলে এভরিবডি ক্যান সি ইউ বেটার। দিস আর অল ইভলভিং থিংস। সো দিস দেয়ার ইউ আর। সো যদি যদি এক্স্যাক্টলি এই ফ্রেমটা থাকলে ইউ আর অ্যাবসলিউটলি পারফেক্ট।
Okay, okay, okay.
ওকে, মিতা ব্যানার্জি, আই থট ইউ ওয়ার দেয়ার। আমি দেখলাম আপনাকে ফ্লিটিংলি ইউ জয়েন্ড ইন। আর ইউ দেয়ার? মিতা ব্যানার্জি, প্রিন্সিপাল, হ্যাভ ইউ জয়েন্ড?
Yes,
Yes, there
yes,
you are.
sir.
Go for it.
A very good morning to all of you, sir.
Yeah, go on. হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলুন।
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go on, go on. The question to you.
Hello.
Yes, the question.
Hello.
The question to you was, ma'am, how are you dealing with this situation? What is your message for students? Okay, I think Madam Banerjee has an internet connectivity at home.
Yeah.
Exactly
Sir,
what
I
I was
cannot-
saying. Rini Dashgupta, are you there? Primary section, Rini
Yes,
Dashgupta.
sir. Yes,
Ma'am,
sir, I'm there.
beautiful. Yeah, go on. The question to you.
Hear you.
You know, the primary section has a very different challenge because you are dealing with people who are, you know, in that age group who
Sir, I'm not getting you. I'm not getting you. The voice is cracking.
that's, yeah, because your internet connectivity is not stable, ma'am. I ask you to just leave once and rejoin. আপনি একবার বেরিয়ে গিয়ে আবার ভেতরে ঢুকে আসুন। Okay, Rini, question to you.
Yes, sir.
প্রাইমারি সেকশনে ছাত্রছাত্রীদেরকে ডিল,
আর স্যার সেটা করতে গিয়ে আর ঢুকতে পারছেন।
ম্যাম আপনার ইন্টারনেটটা স্টেবল নয়, সেই জন্য আপনি একবার যদি কানেকশনটা থেকে বেরিয়ে গিয়ে আবার ভেতরে ঢুকে আসেন। ইয়া প্লিজ, থ্যাংক ইউ। রিনি, আপনি উত্তরটা দিন আমায়,
Yes.
যে প্রাইমারি
Yes.
সেকশনকে ডিল করার জন্য এক্সট্রা চ্যালেঞ্জগুলো কি কি?
Right. A very good morning to everyone. It's a privilege to be a part of this institution. I must say this. Like as a primary teacher, when we are dealing with these small kids, it's a challenge for us because at the beginning they are trying to understand what is happening right now. Right now, outside they are not allowed to go, and inside they are like they are feeling little bit bored. They are not able to deal with certain things, but when we are getting online for the first time, they were so excited. They were so excited to see us. They were so excited to see all the group of students like their classmates. So when we are facing them, they have lot of questions. So first we have to like tell them to how to mute themselves. We took help of the parents at that time. we need their help because they were like 2+ or 3+ or 4+, and in my section that 5+, 6+ children are there. So children, when are they're facing a certain kind of problem, we are asking parents to help them in assignments, also in getting going through the books. We ask parents to help them out in many places, and they are doing that in very sporting manner also. When we are asking them for certain guidelines to follow, parents are there to help them. So in that perspective, children are like overcoming all those things, and slow and steadily they are learning how to mute themselves, they are learning how to deal with certain things when they are coming online. And when we are giving few things in WhatsApp groups, like we are giving them videos, we are giving them some topics, solved assignments also. So they are doing that very nicely. They are following up the things very nicely. And so
Okay.
far, it's a crisis moment right now, but still, we have to overcome this, and we are there to help our children and our parents in every possible manner.
Well said. Adversity brings out the best in champions, and Aditya School
Right, sir.
has a lot of champions. All of these people
Right.
have done their job commendably. যারা কথা বলছেন তারা বাদে যদি বাকিরা নিজেদেরকে মিউট করেন, then it will be easier for the people who are speaking to be audible. Madam Banerjee, principal, are you there back again? Madam, can you speak to me? আপনার কানেকশনটা যদি স্টেবল হয়ে গিয়ে থাকে। মিতা ব্যানার্জি, আপনি are you back? You're not yet? Okay. Shulagna Dash, junior in charge, are you there? Shulagna Dash? Shulagna, if you're there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Excellent. So what are the challenges you have faced? Tell us your own experience, because for each of us, teachers, school leaders, management, all of us had to go through this challenge. Today, do you feel you are in a better position to deal with? Has the school backed you up? Give me your experience.
Yes, sir. Obviously, like this was a very new experience for all of us, and the school management has always helped us and our authorities. First, we started the Zoom class where the management has first trained us. So with that, we initially started, and then we have now shifted to the GMeet class, where we teach our students online. And like the students, when they were first seeing the teachers and their friends online, they were very much excited. Like we could see that they were when they saw the other students, when the other friends in the list, they were just wishing each other, toke dekhte pacchi. They were so excited. And then this was another new bonding, sir. Like every day when we were going to the school, we were teaching the students, we were having a class of students. But here, since they were too tiny, so we have asked the parents also to be beside the students, and to help them in operating the systems, to mute, unmute, and to keep their videos on. So like it was an interaction between the students as well as the parents also. And like this was a new thing which we all have been doing.
Got it.
And the students have also accepted this very nicely, and they are very happy, and they eagerly wait for the online class, to see the teachers, to see their friends, to meet them. And even the tiny tots also, sir, they all wait for
Okay.
these online classes.
ওকে ভাবা যায় কয়েক বছর পরে যখন এরা বড় হয়ে যাবে, তখন এই প্যান্ডেমিকের কথা ভাববে, আপনি আমি 6 বছর বয়সে 5 বছর বয়সে মিউট আর আনমিউট কেউ জানতাম না।
That is what, sir.
এরা কি জানবে? I just shudder to think, but this is the world. The world has progressed way too far,
That
and
is
no
what,
pandemic has ever been able to defeat civilization. Mita Banerjee, are you back there? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Shulagna.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Madam Banerjee, if you're there, are you there? Okay, before I go to Ishani Banerjee, class 9 and 10, I will just want to show you guys something. See, this is the most important mechanism at this point. This is an N95 mask. I will wear this mask. These are the elastic bands, if you can see. This is how you wear the mask. Do not touch the mask here. এখানে ধরবেন না. You wear the mask like this. You wear the mask and you fit it here. Okay. So this is how I wear the mask. So I've now fitted the mask. Now I will fit it into my nose. If you can see, this is the mask pin. I will put it into my nose. And now if you see, The mask is properly fitted and you can still hear me quite well. So when I now breathe, I have to check এইখান দিয়ে হাওয়া বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে কিনা. Any teacher, any student who's watching this streaming, this is absolutely essential. এরপর if I have to touch the mask, ধরুন আমার চোখে চুল করছে, আমার নাকে চুল করছে, আমার মুখে হাত দিতে ইচ্ছে করছে. This is what you need to do. You need to take a sanitizer. You need to put a little bit of sanitizer in it is. You put it into your hand and both sides, you kill any germ and then you open the mask. Okay, so that's how you operate the mask, because operating the mask is extremely important. Operating the mask is of utter importance because that's how you will keep yourself safe. I would say Independence Day din আমরা ঘুড়ি ওড়াই, পুজোয় আমরা জামা কাপড় কিনি। এবছর দয়া করে জামা কাপড় একটা জামা 1300-1400 টাকা, 1000 টাকা, 500 টাকা দিয়ে কিনবেন না, তার বদলে দুটো মাস্ক কিনুন, তিনটে মাস্ক কিনুন, বাকিদেরকে দিন, কাজে লাগবে, because this is how you embrace the new normal. Ishani Banerjee, if you are there, your time starts now. Question to you, how have you coped with it? How are your students coped with it? The school, আমি যে মেজারগুলো বললাম, ambulance, ডাক্তার, hospital tie-up, quarantine bed, etc. Do you think these are making a difference to students' lives?
Yes, sir, definitely. This is creating a difference, and our management has been extremely helpful to us. And such facilities we rarely get in any of the schools. As I have attended your earlier meetings, you have also that. So it is indeed a great effort on the part of the management to have these quarantine beds in the school and to arrange for the ambulance that is there, as which I think is indeed
Ishani, sorry, আপনি কি আপনার ভিডিওটা বোধহয় বন্ধ করা আছে? Ishani, sorry, আপনার ভিডিওটা বন্ধ করা আছে, ওটা একটু চালু করে নিন. Just switch the video on so that let people can see you.
It is on. Okay, I tried, but it is on.
We can hear you, but we can't see you. ঠিক আছে বলুন, doesn't matter. Yeah, বলুন.
Okay, just a second. I'll try. I'll keep on trying as I speak to you. Can you see?
Yeah, you speak to me, doesn't matter.
Okay. I don't know why it is not working. Anyway, so this is the way they have helped us on when the school reopen. We will have the teachers also. There will be a test conducted for the teachers. There will be tests for the students, and there will be ambulance facilities. We will also be having a webinar where you will be the moderator, and we are having 3 doctors who will help in conducting a webinar and counseling the students accordingly. So this indeed has been a great initiative on the part of the management to cope with the situation. And can you all hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, you hear me? So can you all? Okay. So
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
And as far as the so far as the students are concerned, students of class 9 and 10, as the teachers, the students have also taken it as a challenge, and as they are enjoying it. I won't say they are not enjoying it. Maybe the personal that physical touch is missing, that hugging each other, that part is missing, which they usually do in the corridors, and which they usually chat in the classroom, they hug each other. That part is missing, but it is not that they are not talking to each other on screen also, especially in my classes, and other teachers also we allow a pick-up time where we can talk amongst themselves and then we start the class. Because since class 10 especially has the board exam, they are very tense about the examination also. Although the board has settled the syllabus of this and we are proceeding accordingly, but they are a bit tense about it.
Okay, got it. We also could see you last few seconds fleetingly, so thank you very much, Ishani. Moushumi Shengupto, if you're there, in charge of class 11. The rest of the people, if you could please mute yourself. because that way you can hear the others better. Moshumi, if you're there, Moshumi Sengupta.
Sir, yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, please, ma'am, go for it.
Okay, good morning, sir, and good morning to one and all present here. I really feel privileged to speak on this platform. I'm the in charge of class 11. Yes, I have to face a lot of challenge because being the in charge of class 11, every day new admissions taking place. So I really deal with them, and every day their notes, their classes, I always get into touch with them. The students, they face a lot of problem. Initially we had lot of problems because we were not used to this type of education, because now what happened, the whole phone is inside the whole school is inside the phone. So we really, it was a problem for us, but really the management, our authorities, they helped us a lot, and they guided us, they taught us how to deal with the situation, and the students are really, now they are used to it. And I must say that we, every day we get connected to the students, their problems, they discuss with us, and really they also enjoy the classes. And we have trained them, and we have spoke to them in such a way that they are well disciplined. Class 11, 12, the senior most classes in the school, and really they are well disciplined. Every day, whatever the problem they have, they personally they contact us, and we try to solve their problems, and their lessons, videos we have. So everything, it's a challenge, but we have faced those challenges, and really now we are used to it. And I hope in the future also we will be able to work in this way also, and we'll leave such a memory that when they look back, they are going to cherish this memory.
Love it. Well done, Moshumi. This is how you beat COVID at multiple levels. You don't only beat COVID health-wise, you beat COVID at multiple levels by ensuring that education doesn't suffer. I love the spirit. Reshma Chatterjee, computer teacher, if you're there, Reshma. Reshma Chatterjee.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go for it, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
so first,
So how do you encounter this challenge? Computer কিভাবে করাবেন বাচ্চাদের থেকে আরম্ভ করে বড়দের in a virtual platform কিভাবে deal করছেন challenge?
okay, first of all, a very good morning to you, sir, all my authorities, my teachers, and even the parents. First of all, sir, I believe I'm speaking as a computer teacher on behalf of a computer teacher. So to put it into a gist, I believe we are playing a dual role over here. First of all, we are conducting our own classes, sir. So when we are doing that, what is happening is actually, since we are conducting classes from our own place, so we are actually getting a blessing in disguise. I'll tell you how that is happening, sir. Since we are using platforms for conducting the classes, so we have our own setup at home right now where we can give the explanation to our students with that help. Also, since we are unable to give our students the practical classes face to face at this very moment, so what we are doing, we are actually helping the students out by using our own systems. Since we are using our own platforms, what we can do, we can share our screens over there, and we can talk to practicals that are to be done by themselves. They are able to see us doing the practicals. They are able to do the practicals by themselves, sitting right at home in real time. That means it can be done at the same time also. So that is how the entire thing is being tackled by us computer teachers, I believe. And one more thing, sir, I would like to put forth is that since we are using platforms, there are developments, there are advancements every single day. So I also believe that as computer teachers, we are also playing the role of guide.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
ma'am, your internet is proving to be a little unstable, but we got what you wanted to say, and some extremely important words. You have a dual role there. I mean, you are empowering your teachers first, you're empowering the students, you are abreast with new scientific research and advancement, and that's how you're taking the school forward. Fantastic work.
Yes,
I mean, all I will say is more strength to you all. Shimonti Chakraborty, biology. Shimonti, if you're there. Shimonti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Go for
Yes,
it.
sir. Good morning, everyone. Sir, good morning, and ma'am, and everyone out here. I would like to start with, yes, this pandemic is a challenge. And the first thing that I would like to say is I'm not only a teacher, I'm also a parent because my son is in class 10 in this institute. So yes, and I had been to school a few days back in these two roles. First, as a teacher, we were.
One second. ভয় লাগেনি?
And একদম ভয় লাগেনি. That's my own school, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. So I had been there, first of all, as a biology teacher. We are, of course, we are giving the classes, we are sending the videos, notes, assignments. We were actually planning to start off with the practical online classes so that the class 12 children, we know 30 marks, it matters. So we are trying to plan out some online practical sessions for the class 12 children, especially. So I was at school trying to work out, helped by management, definitely helped by our computer teachers. And there I found that yes, sanitization, thermal checks, and hand gloves when we were actually holding the apparatus, all these things, all facilities were given to us. And as a parent, when I visited school for my son's books and copies, oh my God, yes, definitely. You know, they were like specific areas have been made where the parents are supposed to stand in front of the reception with a long distance from the receptionist and the other people out there. And if some more guardians are coming in, they are actually made to sit outside with proper bench and all facilities given to them. They are sanitized and they are actually waiting. Once the space in front of the reception is becoming empty, then only the others are allowed inside. So a wonderful arrangement there, and trying to fight up with the COVID situation. And yes, I would like to agree with Mom ma'am and Moushami Sangupta ma'am that we know this situation is devastating, definitely. But we would like to, you know, create a situation where once the situation is over, we are back to normal again. Children will also have a positive lookout. Yes, this was bad, but this was also good in the COVID situation. We want the thing to remain like that, sir. So
Okay,
that's what I
excellent.
wanted to say.
Excellent. Well said. I will just add one more. Apnara sanitize kochen. You guys have added sanitizers. You are maintaining physical distancing. You're doing thermal checks. The one thing that a thermal check misses is an asymptomatic patient. Because if you are asymptomatic, your temperature will not be showing in that thermal gun.
Right.
And you will not be understanding in a sanitization, procedure based on what you just said. একটা কাজ করুন। And this is a very simple mechanism. স্কুলে সন্দেশ রাখুন। আর না হলে একটা করে সন্দেশ রাখুন, আর না হলে একটা করে নিমকি রাখুন। যে কোনো খাবার রেখে দিন। যেই মুহূর্তে যেই বাচ্চাগুলো ঢুকবে, যখন বা আপনারা নিজেরাও ঢুকবেন, একটা করে মিষ্টি খেয়ে নেবেন বা একটা করে নিমকি খেয়ে নেবেন। যদি দেখেন মুখে মিষ্টির স্বাদটা লাগছে বা যদি দেখেন নিমকির স্বাদটা লাগছে, you know you are not asymptomatic, because if you are asymptomatic, the first symptom is you will lose smell, you will lose taste. So if you or একটা পারফিউম রাখুন। মানুষ কেউ স্কুলে আসলেই তাকে একটা গায়ে একটুখানি স্প্রে করে দেবেন। The moment যদি কেউ স্মেলটা করতে পারে বা টেস্টটা পায় with the thermal gun, then you know you have actually managed it in a 100-degree scenario, যেখানে asymptomatic থাকলেও আপনি ধরে ফেলবেন। So you can just add that. Okay.
Sandesh, definitely, sir.
সন্দেশ, নিমকি, পারফিউম যা ইচ্ছে করতে পারেন, বাট keep that, because thermal gun ধরা পড়বে না।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shayoni Basu, if you are there. Shayoni Bose, Sociology and Political Science. Shayoni, if you are not there. Okay, Rupama Nayak, Mathematics. Rupama.
Yes, sir, I'm back. Hello.
Excellent. Please, bolun.
A very good morning to all of you. Well, this is the word that we start with our students. That's the most, the interactive term that we use with our students. Good morning, all. How are you all? And that we all are waiting for. Anyway, yes, sir, the challenge talking about is we all are accepting the fact that this is the new normal. We cannot deny this fact. And we also know about the background data that around billions of learners are being affected due to this sudden closure of schools. And definitely, sir, I think challenges is one of the basic thing. And one of the challenges is online etiquette, sir. Like online etiquettes are such basic things that students should learn equally with the teachers, because those are the things that is not easily customized with us. Because online etiquette, I mean, whenever we are starting, we were not used to start with online classes. We had no idea of Google Meet, Zoom classes. We had just the introduction.
Can I stop you there? আপনি
Yeah.
আপনার ফোনটা কিসে রেখেছেন? আপনি কি একটা ট্রাইপডে রেখেছেন?
No, I am using a laptop, sir.
Okay, what she is using, or exactly her frame, is the model. This frame is what we want for all our teachers, all our students. This frame, jara dekhchen, onar frame ta dekhun. This is what you need to do to be best accessible, best visible. This is the frame, the way I am using it. I have a tripod, 200 টাকা দাম, আর a tripod Amazon online Prime sale থেকে কিনে নিন আজকে। দিয়ে মোবাইল ওখানে লাগিয়ে যদি মোবাইলে করেন বা ল্যাপটপে করেন, ল্যাপটপটা নিজের আই ভিশনে রাখবেন। দিস আর ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু বি এবল টু রিচ আউট টু স্টুডেন্টস। ইয়েস ম্যাম, বলুন।
Sir, my eldest sister doesn't have a laptop or any of the tripods. We use 4, 5, bigger and the wider books, and we,
That's fine.
arrange it as a tripod.
Yeah.
Traditional Indian tripod, sir. no, no way out. Anyway, so yes, yes, schools are. I have not been in school, but my seniors went there, and they helped in the distribution of books. I mean, I see every time always Mom ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Meeta ma'am, Savita ma'am coordinating with certain things. Like they are always in the school available. So yes, the preventive measures are being taken, and the only challenge we the teachers have faced or the students is the basic online etiquette. And obviously, we have been guided by this, particular computer teachers, our management. Definitely, we have been trained before certain starting of the online classes. Whether it's a Zoom class or a Google Meet class, we had a meeting of around 100 and 150 teachers altogether, and that cleared out our one of the confusions. So challenges are, challenges will come, sir, and parents have learned that homeschooling can be done. Okay.
Okay. Got
Tradition, yeah, because Indian traditional teaching does not accept homeschooling. After Tagore, none of the Indian traditional parents accepts the homeschooling. Now, the pandemic has actually helped out in understanding the benefits of homeschooling. Well, again, as Momam said, we are actually missing the personal touch, sir.
You will soon get it back come December with hopefully, fingers crossed, but then offline and online will come together in giving you much better synergy and much better way forward. Okay, সময় বেশি নেই, 3-4 জন এখনো বলতে বাকি। Rupama Nayak, if you're there, mathematics, please, over to you. Rupama, I don't think she's there. Purba Srimani, Purba, if you're there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, ma'am, go for it.
I think.
Is that Rupama or Purba? Yes, Rupama.
Sir,
Beautiful.
am I audible? Yes.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Bolun. Yes.
Yes. Rupama here. Good morning to everyone present here. I'm speaking on behalf of mathematics department. So, as we all know, mathematics is a very challenging subject for many. So we are trying to cope up with it. We are trying to ease out all the problems of each and every student as much as possible. As my fellow teachers has already told you, that we are going through online classes as well as we are recording videos and sending them through WhatsApp already, so that the students can easily watch the video and clear their doubts. And the videos are also, they can also watch it repeatedly, right? So if they are still in doubt or they cannot clear their small details, small confusions regarding mathematics, they can repeatedly watch the videos, and a separate online class is being held by all the teachers so that all their doubts can be cleared, because mathematics is such a subject. It can be difficult for many students who are weak in mathematics or who are not interested in mathematics. In a classroom scenario, what we do, we face children and we can understand how much they are understanding or how much they are listening to us. So that is the difference between a classroom situation and an online class, I would say. So in an online class, it is pretty difficult to mathematics, but still nothing is impossible, I would say. And even if you are having doubts which we are unable to clarify when we are teaching in a group, what we are doing, we are personally trying to clear their doubts whenever possible. So I think
got it,
that
Rupama. Thank you.
nothing is possible, and we are.
Okay, the point that Rupama made is very important. The point is, if you are not enjoying maths or if you are not good in maths, the point that she made, the teacher is not there to physically understand that, makes the role of the parent that much more important. There are parents who are part of this broadcast. The parent then needs to step in and make a difference there, to handhold, so it will become a synergy between the teacher and the parent. Okay, Purba Srimani, Purba, if you're there.
Yes, I'm here. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Go for it, ma'am.
Okay, so I work as in the capacity of a psychologist and special educator. My take is not really on the education right now because we have excellently experienced teachers who are looking into this right now, the education. But what I want to focus is on the mental health and the emotional coaching of the teachers, of the parents, as well as the students. So first of all, hats off to all the teachers, because I remember there are quite a few teachers. If I ask them to do something, send something through WhatsApp or do something online, they would tell me that it's really difficult for me. আরে আমি শুধু কল টুকু করতে জানি আর কিছু জানি না. So these people, if they are actually teaching through digital platforms, it is actually a great commendable job that they are already doing. So hats off to them at the first place. And secondly, we all human beings are social beings, as we all know. So not meeting people, not being able to be in touch with them face to face is in itself a great situation that we all are going through. And children are the blooming buds. They need nurture, they need care, they need friends at the first point. So if they don't have friends, or they are not being able to go out, play, or interact, it is very, very difficult for them. Now, initially what used to happen during the first lockdown period was, we used to get complaints from the parents that they are absolutely unmanageable at home, they are disturbing a lot. It is obvious they are getting bored and they do not know how to drain their energy. But by this time, if the teachers have noticed, or the parents have also noticed, that the children have sort of settled down, because by this time they have sort of grappled the situation and they have already come to terms with the situation that there's no other option, I cannot go out. So what we need to do is, parents, teachers, we know that this academic year is not going to be a very, very successful and a very energetic academic year, but we all are trying our level best to do that. But what we can do is, we can constantly boost them and motivate their self-esteem by telling them that whatever situation you are, because there are technical glitches, there are various difficulties that the children and the teachers face in order to take and give education.
Got it.
So despite of everything, whatever little bit you're being able to do, we are happy with that. Do
Okay,
not
ma'am.
put a burden of expectation on your children's shoulder. Just think that whatever little bit they are being able to do, that is more than enough in this situation.
Very well said. And the point is, there are
Thank you.
billions, there are just billions of students in the world who do not have access to online education. So when you think you are in a position of difficulty, please think there are billions of others who are in a position of far worse difficulty than you and I are in. We are the privileged. We have access to Purba and Madam Shaha and Moushumi and Mom and Rupama and everybody else. There are billions in this world who don't. So always নিচটা দেখবেন, আপনার নিচে কতজন আছে, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে মনে হবে you are empowered. Tista, if you are there, Tista Dasgupta, if you are there, Tista, if you are there, you are okay. Let me just quickly take a comment for from a couple of parents. Moushumi Mukherjee, if you are there, Moushumi Mukherjee. Moushumi nahi. Orpita Chakraborty, if you're there, Orpita Chakraborty.
Yes,
Beautiful.
sir.
Bolun. Yeah, bolun.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. And good morning to all of respected teachers and principal madam here. I am very much pleased as being a guardian of class 4. My son is studying class 4, and teachers are helping us they are always in mode of helping students very properly. As because class 4 students, they are very naughty and very childish. They can't be very stable on online classes. Some of them are sometimes they disturb the teachers also. But the teachers are they are so calm and quietly they are handling the situation. Sometimes I feel very proud that I am a part of being a guardian. I am a part of this school, sir.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
And another thing is that sir, 1 minute. My son is ASD child, autistic spectrum disordered child. But this school, being a normal school, my special educator has suggested him to make him in this school. Normal schooling is needed for him. Teachers are helping me so they are so heartily helping me. I am very proud and I am very happy to be a part of this school. And my son is also very much nowadays
Okay.
he is improving improving day by day. Thank you, sir.
Music to my ears. Music to my ears. What Orpita just said. আর নটি তো হবেই, নটি না হলে আর মানুষ হবে কি করে? আপনি আমি যখন ছোট ছিলাম আমরাও ছিলাম। More naughty, the more energetic, the more vibrant they are.
কিন্তু টিচাররা খুব সুন্দরভাবে হেল্প করেন, সেটাই আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। তারা খুব পেশেন্ট তারা।
টিচারদেরকে বিরক্ত না করলে আর কি মজা। সম্রাট মৈত্র,
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
সম্রাট, if you're there, সম্রাট.
Yes, I'm there, sir.
Please. বলুন. Yes.
My heartfelt greetings to the august Billy on the platform. As we have learned and heard and read from Boria sir time and again in his that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
True.
This is absolutely unprecedented of a situation, but the best have known how to surmount and how to place themselves on a better platform. Our teachers at Aditya Academy, and I feel very proud as a parent to say this, that they have excellently coped with the situation. They have not imposed the online classroom on the students. They have created a very balanced and a very here, even in the online classes, and which has excellently enabled students, including my daughter, she is in class 5, to see their teachers, feel their words, get inspired, get energized, get galvanized, and do this. As we have read in Isaac Asimov's Sci-Fi, that famous story, the fun they had. Yes, the fun element in the real offline class, as we are using the word now, it is definitely missing. But they are almost rejuvenated when they see their teachers, when they are taking the classes, when they're sending the homeworks, when they are being checked. And kudos to all the teachers, all of you using this platform. I must reiterate that the way they are checking so meticulously, so painstakingly, they are checking all those homeworks. I just wonder how they could make sense out of those WhatsApp messages and all those WhatsApp homeworks. It is really hats off to all of them.
Okay, thank you, Shamrat. Thank you. Okay, my time is up. I will give the last words to Madam Shobita Shaha. But let me say this. All about 14, 15 of you have spoken. It tells me that we are one. Aditya School, whether it is a parent, whether it is a student, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a special educator, whether it is the principal, I will give the last words to Meeta Banerjee if she's back. All of us are together in this fight. Madam Banerjee, to sum up, final words from you. I have been delighted in what I have seen so far. It tells me there is a spirit of vibrancy in this school, and that is terrific to see. Madam Banerjee, to close it out. Madam Banerjee, if you're there. Unfortunately, her internet is...
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, you are, ma'am. Go for it. You close the seminar.
Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, sir. Really, today my net is not supporting me, but I would say that being the principal of the school, like I had the responsibility of entire groups, starting from teachers to parents to students to staff, everybody. But I will say that everybody has taken the challenge in a very positive way with a very big fighting spirit, and all have done very, very well. I have got the support of each of them. And moreover, like what my responsibilities were is mainly counseling out teachers, giving them the positive vibe that yes, you can do it. Because initially we are not that much net survey or online, we are not that much habituated because we never had to use it. It is totally a new situation which the entire globe is facing, and I find my teachers have taken it very positively. They are doing a very hard work, I should say. By the midnight, when I'm exhausted after the entire day's toil, I get spirited, I get boosted by seeing that still my teachers are checking out assignments online. So it's really, as teachers have said, as parents have said, it's really a very big challenge, and everybody has taken it positively. Initially, the senior students were a bit out of the track. They took it in a very playful manner, but finally The way teachers have counseled out, we have all worked together, counseling them out, talking to the parents, ultimately solved the problem, and today they are very serious with their work. And this entire cooperation of the whole team, of the whole fraternity and our management is always beside us. So we are through it, we can say so.
ওকে গ্রেট। এই যে মিতা ব্যানার্জি যেটা বললেন, 1 ঘন্টা ধরে ওনার ইন্টারনেটটা কাজ করছিল না, কিন্তু ফাইনালি পরিশ্রম করে, চেষ্টা করে, এফর্ট দিয়ে উনি কিন্তু আমাদেরকে বলতে পারলেন। দিস ইজ দ্য টেক অ্যাওয়ে। যতই কোভিড আসুক, যতই নতুন চ্যালেঞ্জ আসুক, ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু গেট সামথিং অ্যাক্রস, ইউ ক্যান। যেটা বারবার বলি, আমি এটা বারবার বলি, আজকের মন্ত্র ইজ ভেরি সিম্পল। আপনারা সবাই মেসেজ পাঠান, ম্যাডাম সাহা জানেন। সো ইয়োর মন্ত্র টুডে ইজ SMS. S stands for soap and sanitization. Barbar kore korben. M stands for mask, and S stands for social distancing. So you believe in this mantra, COVID can't touch you. Your school will go forward. You will go forward. Stay healthy. Stay safe. More power to you. More empowerment for all of you. You know, and Aditya School should go forward. Thank you very much for being part of
And
this.
finally, sir, I would like to thank you. We would like to thank you for such a beautiful session. It was really very informative. Thank you for giving us your precious time.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Stay safe.
You too.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.